Learn about the sentiment spoiler from the capital gains tax hike and what it means for Nifty and Bank Nifty. The Union Budget has been hailed for its fiscal prudence and focus on employment generation. The budget aims to maintain fiscal discipline with a targeted fiscal deficit of 4.9%. The biggest positive takeaway was that the government to spend 11.11 trillion rupees for infrastructure spending capex in FY25, 3.4% of GDP. That said, capital gains tax hike was a sentiment spoiler. Our call of the day suggests Nifty is likely to take it on the chin amidst weak global cues. Technically, a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern on the top indicates trend reversal with immediate downside risk at psychological 24,000 mark. Long story short, the return of risk for benchmark Nifty. Global cues are mostly negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 5131 crores while DIIs were net buyers to tune of Rs 3137 crores. Sentiments turns bearish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are still indicating overbought technical conditions plus bearish engulfing pattern on the daily charts. FNO July month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,000 zone. Surprisingly, despite volatility, India VIX cooled down by 7.76% at 11.76 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th July, is at 0.76 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 31st July, is at 0.78. Nifty outlook, volatility is likely to be the hallmark. Nifty, CMP to 4413. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 24,074 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 24,551 mark. Range for the day is between 24,000 and to 4550. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 51317. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen at 50,591 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 52,347 mark. Range for the day Bank Nifty is likely to trade between 50,500 and 51600. Bias for the day is negative. In yesterday's trade, Nifty was mostly in red throughout the trading session. Amongst stocks, Bajaj Finance emerged as top Nifty loser after it reported net profit rise of 14% on year to 3,912 crore rupees, missing street expectations. India's largest non-banking finance company's April to June net interest income, NII, grew 25% on year to 8,365 crore rupees. Q1 results to trickle in today, Thursday, 25th July. Ashok Leyland, AU Bank, Canara Bank, Chennai Petro, DLF, Laurus Labs, MGL, Mphasis, Nestle, Ramco Cement.